Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will explore the JMeter plugins manager. This tool makes it super easy to add and manage plugins within JMeter. Enhancing its capabilities for better testing, I will show you how to install and use the plugins manager effectively. So let's begin. Suppose you want to perform the load testing of database, then you need to add the jar file of MySQL and add inside the JMeter lib folder. Here you can view the all jar files inside the lib folder. By default, when you install the JMeter, these jar files are present inside this lib folder. There are two methods for downloading the plugins. The first method, you need to open the JMeter plugins and then click on installed. Inside this, multiple plugins are available. Here you can view the custom plugins for Apache JMeter, and here documentations are available. Inside this documentation, multiple plugins are available: graphs, thread groups, timers, listeners. These are the plugins. One method, you need to click on this and then click on download. After downloading the jar file, you need to add this jar file inside this lib folder. And the second method, for adding the plugins, you need to open the JMeter plugins, go to this URL, and then click on install. After clicking on installed, here options are available: download plugins manager.jar. After downloading this jar, you need to add this jar file inside the JMeter. Open Apache JMeter. Inside this option available, open lib, and then here you need to add the JMeter plugins manager. Make sure after adding this JMeter plugin manager, you need to restart the JMeter for reflecting changes. Now restart the JMeter. Click on restart and again open the JMeter. After open the JMeter, I will show you how we can install the plugins by using plugin manager. Click on bin. Now open the JMeter, click on options. Inside these options, after adding the jar file, you can view these options: plugins manager. Click on plugins manager. These are the plugins, installed plugins, which are already added. These are the available plugins. You need to mark this checkbox, and then here you can view the review changes, and then click on apply changes and restart JMeter. These are the documentation link. You can read more about this plugin by clicking on this URL. If any changes are come in the plugins, so here you can view the updates. Here you can update the plugins by using this section. Here three options are available. One, you can install the plugins. You can filter out the plugins by this search bar, and after clicking on this available plugins, you need to mark this checkbox and then click on apply changes and restart JMeter for reflecting changes. By using this JMeter plugins manager, you can easily add the plugins in JMeter. That's all for today tutorial on the JMeter plugins. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to install and manage plugins to make your testing more powerful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with more tips and tutorials.